friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So today we are going to discuss some important US indices and the global market update, and some important data news came in last week, and Nifty will analyze the Nifty 50 chart, and we'll discuss the important key levels for the next week. So, to know the Nifty 50 level and important update about the stock market and global market, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular index levels update and stock market update. So let's start the video with important indices of the global market and Indian market also. You can see here Indian market, and on last Friday our Indian market was performing very well. You can see Nifty 50 was 1% up, Sensex was 1% up, even around Nifty Bank was also around 1% up. Means बहुत ही अच्छा परफॉर्म किया लास्ट फ्राइडे लास्ट वीक our Indian stock market. But see the global market on last Friday, you can see it was even more than 0.5%, one around 1% was down. The DJI was down 0.61%, and S&P 500 also was down, and Nasdaq, though more than 1%, it was down 1% down. So global market was not that good on Friday. So we can see some effect maybe on Monday, but we have some important good news also, which I will share. I will share, and you can see this was the overall index. Update index performance. And if we see the commodity, we can see the gold is down. Now it is down to even 3285, around 3300 the gold is trading, which is low from its all time high, and it may fall more if our Indian stock market is performing good. तो हमेशा ऐसा होता है, अगर स्टॉक मार्केट अच्छा नहीं परफॉर्म कर रहा है तो गोल्ड थोड़ा बेटर करता है. इफ गोल्ड इज नॉट परफॉर्मिंग, मीन्स इफ स्टॉक मार्केट इज नॉट, if stock market is performing good, the gold will little bit अंडर परफॉर्म. तो ये एक कोरिलेशन रहता है समटाइम. नॉट इज इट इज नॉट कोई थंब रूल नहीं है, बट यस sometime it happens. So gold is a little bit down, trading little bit down, and Brent oil is also down. It is again under the 65, and I discussed already in the chart, Brent oil chart, that 65 is actually good resistance for the Brent oil, or Brent oil is now at low of 63. So Brent oil is little bit down, trading down, as Brent oil is cheap in current scenario. So इसका फायदा some oil and gas, power, मतलब so many stocks should perform good, and that's why they are performing good in current scenario, current market. So this is both the good news. I told that gold is also down, or Brent oil is also down. So these are the important key things which is very important to know for the next week. These update and index level update, or only thing, the global market was not at all good, not that good, not very bad I can say, but yes, DJI or Nasdaq वगैरह they were little bit down, you can see here. But now I will discuss some important news, which the India is surpassing the Japan, overtaking the Japan, and now it has come at fourth level. Fourth, it has become the fourth largest economy in the world after before Japan. Means first you can see the picture. The first number is USA, then China, then Germany, and now at fourth place India has come, and Japan is at fifth place, then UK. So this is, you can see this chart, this diagram, which is showing where our India has reached. So this is the growing economy, and I always say that everyone trust on growing India and the growth of the India. This is the positive and good news for the next week, and that will also trigger the Indian stock market. And one more important news also I have discussed in yesterday video on Nifty bank level video. There the RBI has given the 2.69 lakh crore dividend to central government. So this is also a very positive news that government has earned the 2.69 lakh crore dividend from the RBI. This is also the positive trigger for the Indian stock market. So these all news is very important to discuss, and this is the positive news for the Indian stock market. And yes, I have already posted the Nifty bank levels for next week and some important news quarter results in yesterday video. Please definitely, you should definitely go through that Nifty bank levels and that video. I have given the link in I button, you can see. And yes, now we'll go to the Nifty 50 chart and we'll discuss and analyze the chart. But uh, these news and the global market, that all I have discussed, because of these are going to affect the Indian market, the Nifty and Nifty bank, all the indices. So you can see the chart here. I have come on the Nifty 50 chart, and you can see I have drawn some important lines here. This is the important two trend lines, this range I have made, you can see here. And where I'm showing that how market is trading within this range since 17th of अप्रैल से ये इस रेंज में आ गया है, जो कि मैंने लास्ट में इस रेंज को लिया था, विच इज नाउ quite above on this level. Okay, this. So now Nifty 50 is trading in within this range. You can see here thoda sa niche gaya, and then here, and then again here taken support, and then now again going upside. Candles showing the strength. I don't see why should market fall again below this line. So for me, this line is very important support, and if it will go upside, it can take a resistance here again, which is 25,350 around, I can say. एग्जैक्टली कैसे, यस 25,350, जो कि अभी आया नहीं है अभी. निफ्टी 50 हैज टच दिस 25,100 अराउंड, जो कि अभी वहाँ पे ही टच करके देन अगेन इट हैज टेकन अ यू टर्न हियर टिल हियर, टेकन अगेन सपोर्ट, और अभी नाउ इट इज गोइंग अपसाइड. तो आई कैन सी, if there is no any big bad news, market should definitely break this 25,100 and should go above this level and should touch this level also, which is 25,350, 400, 350 is exact, we can say 300, 350. So we can see the market is performing very good. It is outperforming, we can say. From here, if we see कि हाउ ब्यूटीफुली इट हैज टेकन अपसाइड, पीछे इसने पलट के देखा ही नहीं, नेवर लुक बैक, एंड फ्रॉम हियर इट हैज गिवन अ लिटिल बिट कंसोलिडेशन इन दिस अप ट्रेंड रेंज. ओके, ये ऊपर की ओर ही जा रहा है. नीचे गिर के आता भी है, अगर कोई बहुत बड़ी बैड न्यूज़ आ जाती है, नीचे आता भी है, तो लाइक दिस विल बी अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट ऑफ द 23,900, और वी कैन से 24,000 इज अ साइकोलॉजिकल सपोर्ट. तो 24,000 तो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट है, जहाँ तक अभी मुझे नहीं दिखता आता हुआ विद द नेक्स्ट इन शॉर्ट टर्म पीरियड. सो आई विल नॉट take this level, but I have drawn this key level also, so that you can see and you can be aware of this level also. But yes, for me this is the important support, which will be 24,500, 600 around 600 या 500. इससे ज़्यादा नीचे जाता हुआ मुझे एटलीस्ट नेक्स्ट वीक में तो निफ्टी 50 इज नहीं दिखता है. तो 24,500 मुझे बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट दिखता है फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक. 600 भी. तो ये लेवल आई विल बी टेकिंग फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक फॉर सपोर्ट. एंड ऊपर के लेवल पे इफ वी सी हियर दिस ट्रेंड लाइन विल गिव यू वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रेजिस्टेंस फॉर कमिंग वीक. और यहाँ पे जाके ये जो लेवल है, जो कि यू कैन सी हियर ऑल्सो, हियर हियर इट हैज टेकन अ resistance. So this 24 for 5350 will be a important hurdle for coming week. So for me, the Nifty 50 important support will be 24,500, and important resistance will be 25,350 only after breaking 25,100. Means for me there will be a two resistance, first 25,100 and then 25,350. So this will be a very important uh, key levels, key support resistance, which you should be very mindful for the next week. So I will repeat the level again. Nifty 50 support 24,500 and resistance 25,350 after breaking 25,100. So please keep this level in your mind, 24,500 and ऊपर के level पे 25,100 and then 25,350 will be a very important support and resistance for Nifty 50, which I wanted to discuss. So I have discussed the important good news and important global market also, and important level for the Nifty 50. And you should definitely like and share the video and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and index update. And signing off.